Things are changing and changing really quickly, not least because technology itself is transforming the way in which people can learn. There's a huge need to understand what's going on in organisation technology. What Impact can do is help all of our clients to understand how to bring the most appropriate method for developing their people to bear on their organisational development problems. One of the things that we can see that's happening in organisations is we used to have work and we used to have learning, and those two things were separate. So you needed to learn how to do your job, and you used to go away and do that learning, then come back and then do your job, and that's how it worked. We can't afford that to happen anymore. Learning increasingly is the work. One of the starting points for us in thinking about how we might help organisations to improve their use of learning technology is that learning and work are becoming increasingly enmeshed, that learning is the work. We take a view that there might be lots and lots of different tools available to support organisational learning, but the most important thing is, what's the learning need? So that's why we always say, let the learning lead, not the technology, not the tools, but the needs of the individuals. We need to be much more concerned about context rather than content, because it's only through understanding the context that those learning opportunities, all the information and resources that might be available through technology can be used effectively. So let's spend more time understanding the context for learning, not just creating lots and lots of content. One of the things that technology has not changed is how people learn. Technology has changed lots of opportunities for the ways in which people might engage with learning material, but it fundamentally hasn't changed the way in which people learn. We need to understand how people will learn using that technology. So it's not enough just to present someone with a video explaining something, and then it's how that person will take the information and then use it, apply it through talking to others, through working with others, to turn that information into knowledge that's with practical use. We need to think more about the processes which through people learn, not just providing a platform through which they can consume material.